This is the easiest cake we've ever made. I hope those two didn't get in too deep this time. Hey, Willifrida, can you go check up on those two? You bet! I love your earrings, by the way. Thanks. I can take it from here. Yeah. Good thing this contraption can go anywhere. Willifrida was not kidding. This is the easiest cake on earth. We don't even need a mixer. In a big bowl, sift together your flour, 2 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, add in a cup of chopped pecans, 2 cups of bananas, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1.5 cups of oil. 3 eggs. Look at this, see? And a whole 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, juice and all. And mix that together. Careful not to overmix it. Woohoo! Space rodeo! Yeehaw! Giddy up there, partner! That one! Oh, and the pan. We do this right before putting in the batter, because we usually forget anyway. But in this case, the shortening of flour don't get a chance to slide down the sides in case our kitchen's too hot. Tap out the excess over the sink and bake for 70 minutes in the middle of the oven. Ah! Woo, 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 woo! Go, cheese my go! Cheese splat! Woo! Great googly magoogly! Now I'm snacking and tracking! Let it hang out in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. Usually the pan gets cold enough so Big Val doesn't have to use oven mitts. We'll just help it out a little bit. Give it a little shake to loosen the edges and the sides. You kind of hear it bumping around in there. And voila! Woohoo! Yay! Clean as a whistle. Let's see you dodge my bingo balls of chaos. Cheesehead, it's gonna be rough. We love decorating. It's the best part, isn't it? We made more than we really needed just so we could be as creative as we wanted. We'll eat the leftovers on breakfast granola in the morning. Mornings around here are a little kooky. 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of butter, and beat those together. In hindsight, we could have just used the whisk for the whole thing. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a cup of powdered sugar. A cup of heavy whipping cream too. Whisk those together until you get stiff peaks. Hey, where'd they go? What's that? Hey, you're still pretty. You're so pretty. Mwah!